All set now, ready to race. Under races on Angel Eunice. From the outside is Bianca's Fantasy. Maypan moving up by Daryl and running forward by about 3 lengths Santeria. Both boys the early trailer. Maypan rushing up in between runners to grab the lead. Followed by Angel Eunice by Daryl, Bianca's Fantasy. And moving up by Daryl is Santeria and Botbo. Passing the half-mile post, Angel Eunice, Maypan fighting it out for the lead. Santeria is racing third by Daryl, Bianca's Fantasy, Botbo. And rounding the far turn, Angel Eunice, Maypan, Santeria is moving up by Daryl and Bianca's Fantasy as they race the last 450. Santeria, followed by Maypan from the outside, Angel Eunice, Bianca's Fantasy, Botbo also rushing up as they race the last 200. Santeria, Botbo is on the outside, Maypan, Bianca's Fantasy, Santeria, Botbo, Santeria, Botbo is on the outside, Botbo moves up, and finally, number 1, Botbo, Santeria, Maypan, Bianca's Fantasy, and Angel Eunice to complete the arrival.